Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. Leos, we are picking few cards, guys. This is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, Leos. And I also have a pick a card love reading, guys, right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, Leos, you can watch that reading, guys. Stay tuned for that reading. So let's see what are these cards. We have Five of Wands in reverse, Four of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your personal life situation, guys. Maybe there are some stressful situations happening in your career or in your relationship. Maybe some arguments, some quarrels are there, some kind of misunderstanding. But today all that is turning out to be something advantageous for you guys. Maybe that is bringing a solution for your problems, or it is taking a positive turn. Maybe you both know what is there in each other's mind. You may proceed towards a better understanding today, guys, in your situation. And Leos, it may be in your attitude, guys. Maybe you have some stress or some fears. Maybe you are afraid that certain things may not go as expected. So maybe in your future, whatever you had hoped for, that the way things are going, you feel that that may not come out as true, and some kind of stress because of that, or worries because of that. And for some of you, you are having some kind of health issue, or it may be your persons. So maybe you feel weak or you feel worried because of that, guys, also. And you are having doubts on someone, guys. It may be on this person. You don't have that total trust on them. You are suspicious about them, or they are suspicious about you. They feel that they cannot trust you, and they cannot rely on you. Maybe the reasons may be because of these arguments, or what you spoke, or what you did, maybe, guys. But I also see that you are happy for certain things. There is some new beginning in your situation. It may be a career beginning, an offer or an opportunity coming your way today, guys, Leos. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. It's Knight of Wands. So with this card in your relationship, guys, you are, what to say, in some kind of stress, maybe, for some of you. I see that this person you love, they may take a break from you, guys. They are moving away, maybe because of their doubts or confusions, or these arguments, maybe. Or for some of you, they are moving to a different place for work. They are changing their residence for work. Something has come up, is taking this person away from you, guys, Leos. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Three of Cups. So things, you are celebrating some initial success with your friends, with your colleagues, guys, and things are going in a positive way. in your career situation, Leos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. If you want more clarity, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this reading, guys. That is coming up right now. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first choice and this is your second choice. So whatever questions or doubts you have in your mind, you can think about it and choose the card. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. Let's see what is the card for y'all, for those who have chosen this first card. We have not. So with this card, guys, maybe sometimes we try really hard, we do everything possible within our limit, and we desire for certain things, but no matter how hard we try, the results we seek sometimes elude us, and it is as if we are watching the game from the sidelines. And maybe the appearance of this card just indicates that we are not going to get what we are dreaming for. Maybe our dreams will be fulfilled in a different way, guys. So whatever happens, you need to have that acceptance. That is the energy. So sometimes we face rejection, and we need to understand that rejection is a form of God's protection towards us, guys. So maybe only the right things will reach us. The same way in our relationship, sometimes even in the beginning of the relationship, we may feel that that relationship is bound to move towards failure, guys. And sometimes it may be because certain red flags that appear in that beginning escape our observation, or we refuse to acknowledge them. So we need to understand that certain relationships are not meant to be, and it is not possible for us to make it be just like we dream, guys. So rejection is a sign from the divine that you are protected. And if you are in a situation to reject this person, remember that you are doing that for both your welfare, guys, for your good and for that other person's welfare too. And there is a perfect match for each and every one of us. We should not forget that. Maybe this person may not be our best fit. So sometimes maybe you are interested in someone, or you are in a relationship with somebody, and maybe there are troubles in this connection. You need to understand that if you feel that it is not going to work, you can stop making it work, guys, and see where things are going with this connection. So that is the energy with this card. For those who have chosen this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, it is black tourmaline. So with this card in your situation, guys, it just stands for healthy boundaries, guys. So when we have good fences, we make good relationships. So the appearance of this card just means that we have to know when is the time to be alone and when is the time to be together. And if you are feeling tired lately, maybe somewhat bored or somewhat lethargic or tired, you need to understand that you are neglecting yourself at some given level, and you are giving too much, maybe suffering from empathy, or suffering or depending on someone too much. Maybe that may be the reason. You have to see what it is. And you should not yearn love through self sacrifice, guys, or not feel overwhelmed in your relationship. So, this is the time for that. This is the time, maybe you are even matched with your soulmate, but whatever it is, you need time for yourself. You need time for yourself, and time to give that other person freedom, and time to enjoy certain things together. Maybe you need to spend time alone, or spend time with your friends, or do something alone. That is going to help you in a better way, guys, make you more relaxed in your relationship, and make you more fulfilling and nurturing in this connection. So you need to understand where you need to stop your indulgence on that other person, or their indulgence on you. So that is the reading with this card, guys, with this crystal spirit. That is the energy. And thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.